Tees, braids, weaves, and wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas. Are you experiencing hair loss? Well, no more worries, ladies, because you can wear beautiful styles just like this. Look at this absolutely gorgeous style. Even if you're experiencing alopecia or hair loss, there are many beautiful styles that you can still wear. So let's jump right into this video. So yes, as always, when my clients come in, I start off with moisturizing and hydrating their hair with what? Our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, it is packed with 100% all natural ingredients and organic oils to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is packed with argan oil, with tea tree oil, with grapeseed oil, with almond oil, and all the essential oils to do what? Promote hair growth. So yes, I am giving her a deep hair and scalp massage. I am not only moisturizing and massaging the areas where she does have hair and hair growth, but also in those areas where she has no hair at all. Yes, it is super essential for us to moisturize and massage our hair, especially in those areas. Yes, look at that hair growth butter. It is the truth, and we have been getting so many wonderful, great, positive reviews on it. So yes, here I am taking my time. I slowed the video down so that you can see the love and the tender and the care that I give to my clients when they come in. Yes, look at this head massage and scalp massage I am giving her. And let's listen to what she is going to say about this. Yes, I take my time and I massage, and I do an excellent job because this is so essential. Let's hear.
That's good.
Yes. It's like my hair said you better, bro.
Right. Yeah, we put some love on it. Stimulating these hair follicles, because even though you don't have hair here, you still have hair follicles there.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, ladies, even in those areas where you don't have any hair, or where you're having your hair loss or alopecia problems at, don't neglect those areas. Let's make sure that we massage and moisturize those areas just as well. And yes, here I am doing my what? Brushing process. Yes, ladies and stylists, let's get back to brushing. Brushing is super essential for our hair and has so many benefits. Yes, brushing our hair stimulates our hair follicles. It also cleanses your hair. Yes, brushing will help cleanse your hair as well as aiding in hair growth. Yes, so ladies, let's get back to brushing our hair. That is one thing that we've kind of gotten away from and is very essential to hair growth. So let's do that hair brushing and stylists as well. Let's take some time and give our clients some TLC, love on their hair so that we can get their hair to growing back. I do not like buying in the fact that we can't grow our hair back. We just need to put in that work to drink enough water, to eat our leafy vegetables, to moisturize our hair on a regular basis, to use hair growth essential butters, oils that will help promote hair growth. And we will start seeing some difference in growing our hair. So yes, here I am just starting off by actually putting some protection, skin protector on her skin. This wig install, I am going to be using some tape. Normally, I do not use any tape. I do not use any glue. But with this install, my client requested that she wants to use tape. She brought her tape herself. And I am going to show you just how I do that. So after cleansing her skin with alcohol and then applying some skin protectant, I am now applying the tape. So yes, I'm going to do the tape around the whole perimeter of her forehead. And I'm going to actually now peeling off the back side of the tape, and this is going to stabilize her wig. This is what's going to keep her wig in place and keep it from sliding, shifting, or for her being able to take it off nightly. She wants to keep her wig on a regular basis, and she doesn't want it to be able to come off at night. So here again, as you can see, I am peeling off the backing to the tape, and this is how we're going to stabilize her wig. So continue to keep watching as I complete this service for her. Okay, family, as you can see, I've been working on securing the back of her wig using the tape as I did in the front, and this is the results. Yes, it is nice and secure. The tape is working actually really well, and this looks so natural. She's going to be able to pull it up in a ponytail if she likes to get it up off of her neck. And this is the end results. My client does not want to have her face shown, so I'm going to do the best that I can to let you see what the style looks like with this covering her face. Yes, it came out absolutely gorgeous. It looks absolutely natural. I love the waves that she has in her hair. And again, ladies, don't get discouraged because you can still wear beautiful hairstyles. Don't have to just wear wigs. There are crochets, there's weaves, there's braids. There's so many styles that you can get even with hair loss now. Look how beautiful this came out. It looks so natural. She was so happy and so pleased, and so was I. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. Welcome back to my channel. West Coast Line is bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in.